I love this dream. Vaughn was dreaming she was driving a car as a mouse through a blizzard. Sometimes our dreams are really wacky, like cartoons or crazy movies. And really, was it fun to drive as a mouse through a blizzard? Or was it frightening? Whatever the feeling is in that dream is giving you a message. So, is it thrilling and exciting to do something kind of impossible, like be a mouse driving and driving through a blizzard? What are you doing, Vaughn, in waking life that you're like really kicking it? You are driving and you can't even drive because you're a mouse. You are. It's like you're getting so much amazing stuff done and you're not even yourself. Ooh, maybe that's the message. Are you yourself?